Just for what now? Just for the assets. Oh my god. Should I take this? Okay, let's give this a try. What's up guys, Fred here, and today we have a new mission. Our mission is to find crappy and bad design and kill it. Okay, maybe just fix it in Photoshop, We don't have to kill it, just a little fixes should be fine. So let's see what we got here. A nutrition start to your day. What? Okay, we have to fix this. So think, what can we do? So what I want to do is I want to replace all of this black color basically with this kind of pattern and see how it goes. So at least it's not grapefruit. That's it. At least now it looks like grapefruit. Yeah, better than what was before, like for sure. So let's continue our mission. Apparently women only have one leg. I mean, of course we could fix it, but this is too easy, so let's just continue. Just for what now? Just for the assets. Oh my god. Should I take this? Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, this is gonna be difficult, most likely, but still, let's give it a try. I mean, not difficult, but it's gonna take like some time, so. Okay, this looks horrible. Like, what is that? Okay, so we can copy this part of E to this part of M left and right part. So we just need to copy and paste. And let's take stamp tool, clone stamp tool for that. Well, the color's not really match right now, but we can change it later. It's fine. It's totally fine. Don't worry guys, we're gonna make it. I am super concentrated. Okay, finally, and let's bring this guy here and make him smaller. And boom! How was that? You're welcome, humanity. Okay, that took me lots of time, like seriously, but you know, the results are great. I mean, of course they could be better if I like took it, if I had more time, but still, you know, it's not bad. So let's just continue, see what else do we have to fix. Look at how they ripped the paper. I mean, where is the rest? It's wrong. Like, where's the middle part? Apparently Jesus scares. What? Whose idea was that, man? This is so bad. We need to fix that immediately. So let's see what we can do about it. Okay, let's just copy the image and let's see what we can do about it. And boom! Now Jesus cares instead of scaring. Okay, we have to fix it, okay? Like, there's too many toilets for this small place, like, we have to delete one of them, so let's just do it. Come on. We have to save the world. Whenever I think of saving the world, I always remember, you know, this Pirates of Caribbean music. I don't know why, so it's always playing in my head right now. So how do we fix that? Actually, very easy. We just copy and paste from here to here. Boom. I thought this is gonna be easier, but wow. I assume we can stop here. You know, we already saved so many people by removing one of the toilets from here, so they don't have to touch each other. So let's just assume this is a shadow. Okay, so whatever. Before, after, done. Well, he's holding a sausage. No? What is that? Plastering? Oh, it's a door. Whatever. There is a window between bathrooms, seriously, so the people can look at each other. Why would anyone do that? Okay, we have to fix this. Dum dum da da dum dum. This is going to be really quick and easy. easy. Look at that. Look at that. This is gonna be so easy. You don't know how easy this is gonna be. Like, seriously. I hope so, at least. Ta-da! Okay, we still have to fix a few things. This thing is gone. I'm just gonna copy and paste. 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 Boom! So, you see, we are helping people. I don't know what's worse, the fact that you can't sit here or that the chair is blocking the counter. What? How did this happen? Okay, this is our new mission. Let's go for it. Dum dum da dum 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 da dum. Oh wait, that's not. But I wanted to do this. Agent 007. Ding 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 ding. Whatever. Okay, so this is the plan. I know how to fix this. We're just gonna remove the part of this wood. Genius. Okay, so how do we do that? It fits so well. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, this is getting down. This is here. So we just have to expand this. This needs to go at least till here, and this also needs to be expanded. So what do? We just copy and paste. You see? So easy. Everything in Photoshop, you just copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. Whatever you need to do, copy and paste. So wait, but something is wrong. Okay, now let's add some shadows, I guess, and also fix this thing. And boom! Now you can sit there. Huh? Huh? What? Didn't expect that? Before, after. Before, after. Which one is the real one? Huh? Do you know? This is the real one. This is photoshopped. This is the real one. Okay, I think today we will stop on that, and maybe I will do another series. Let's see how this video goes. And it was actually fun, so I hope you enjoyed it too, and see you again on our next mission to save humanity from crappy design. Bye.